Hello, good morning students. This is your math teacher Muhammad Irshad. Hope you all are fine and doing good. This is your 9th recorded class of maths for Sunday, 12th of April 2020. We have already finished our portion. So today we will start revision. Revision from the chapter which we have finished in the last class. We have finished the last chapter number 15, which was about probability. So we will start its revision today. And I'll give you some numerical problem related to this chapter and you have to do it. So let's have a recap about this lesson. Probability. Already I have explained you about probability. So in everyday life we come across a statement such as it will probably rain today. I doubt that he'll pass the test. Most probably, Kavita will stand first in the annual examination. Chances are high that the prices of diesel will go up. There is a 50-50 chance of India winning a toss in today's match. The word probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. used in the statements above involve an element of uncertainty. For example, in sentence number 1, statement number 1, probably rain will mean it may rain or may not rain today. We are predicting rain today based on our past experience. When it rained under similar conditions, similar predictions are also made in other cases listed in 2 to 5. So what we have noted in this chapter, the summary we can say in this chapter, we have studied all these following points. An event of an experiment is the collection of some outcomes of the experiment. Second thing we have learned, the empirical or experimental probability of an event E is given by, means P stand for probability and E here for events. So probability of the events is equals to number of trials in which event has happened by total number of trials. And the most important point, that the probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. It cannot be less than 0 and it cannot be more than 1. It may be 0 or it may be 1 or it may be between 0 and 1. So today in the revision class I am writing here some questions, 4 questions only. You have to do it by yourself. Already we have finished the lesson. I have explained you different kind of sums. So see here, question number 1. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting, number 1, an even number as the sum. Means you are throwing 2 dice together. So what is the probability of getting an even number as the sum? When you will add the both outcome of both, means the two outcome of both dice together, then what is the probability of getting an even number? Second one, the probability of the sum as a prime number, sum of the 2 outcomes. A total of at least 10, means what is the probability of getting the sum as 10? A doublet of even number. What is the probability of getting a doublet of even number? And question number 2, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times and we get, here the outcomes are given here. In this case, question number 1, you have to find the outcomes also. Then you will find the probability. Here outcomes they have given. So when we toss the 2 coins simultaneously 500 times, we got 2 heads 105 times. Means 105 times we got head on both the coins. 2 heads we got. 1 head 275 times and no head 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Here you have to find the probability of occurrence each of these events. Here the 3 events they have given. And question number 3. In a particular section of class 9, 40 students were asked about the month of their birth, and the following graph were prepared for the data so obtained. Find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. You can see this graph. This graph is for 40 students, data collected from 40 students. Now here from this graph you can see here the months is written here, and here the number of students. So you can see here in January 3 students born. So here you have to find the probability for those students who born in the month of August. You can see here August bar is here. So you have to find the probability of the students who born in August. And question number 4. To know the opinion of the students about subject statistics, a survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. You can see here the opinion, 2 kinds of opinion were there, like or dislike. Means either they like statistics or they dislike statistics. And 200 students participated in that survey. So 135 students said they like statistics, and 65 students they said they don't like, means they dislike the statistics. Now you have to find the probability. Find the probability that a student chosen at random, number 1 like statistics, and number 2 does not like it, means dislike. So here you have to find the probability. So before doing this, just go through the previous video, what I have explained you. Once again you can see that video where I have explained you the basic concept and each and every numerical of the chapter number 15, probability. Once everything will be done, then you can start doing this, and you have to do this and you have to send it to me. Take the picture of your solution and send it to me, and by tomorrow this should be finished. So today is Sunday. By Monday evening anyhow you have to send me your homework. After Monday evening 6 o'clock homework will be not accepted. So this was for today only. Hopefully in the next class we will do revision for some other chapters. Have a good day. Thank you.